Welcome back. In previous step we completed up to here. We procured the stock. In this step we are going to complete the rest of the process. Now go to week 11. See, in week 11 we are maintaining a selling price. This is the standard condition PR00. Press enter. Select this. Now go to Excel. Copy this material number. Here enter selling price 50. Save this. Go back. Next step is to create a sales order. See, this is order to cash cycle. In this, if you want to test, you can start from VA21. Go to VA21. Since we did the configuration from scratch, we may face few issues. Those we will resolve as and when we get the issue. This is the standard order type. Even you will find order type at the time of creating purchase order. Go to ME21N. See, here you will find NB order type for standard. Like this, in SD we have OR. Enter this information: sales organization, distribution channel, division. Press enter. See, here we are getting order type has not been defined in sales area. Double click on this one. Check your entries. If you have not made any error, check the customization. System is saying you need to complete first step, second step, third step, then you need to complete fourth step to use this order type OR. So we will click on this one, combine a sales organization, click on position, enter 8800. This is my sales organization. Here change this to 8800. Save. Go back. Now click on distribution channel. Enter here 8800. Here my distribution channel is 88. Press enter. Save this. Go back. Click on combine division. Here enter division 88. Press enter. Enter any dummy here 01. Click on cancel. Save this. Here we are getting save the changes. Now assign permitted order types. Go to the last step. Here with the combination of sales organization, distribution channel, division, we are going to assign this order type. Since we did the configuration from scratch in SD, that is the reason we are getting this issue. Click on new entries. Here enter 8800, distribution channel, division. Here we need to enter order type. See, this is the standard order I want to use with the combination of this sales area. Save this. We have successfully completed this step. Now press enter. Maybe we need to refresh this. VA21. Press enter. Process sales document type OR with the transaction VA01. It is saying go to sales order. So we'll start from sales order. See, if you are SD consultant, we can worry about the quotation. Since we are MM consultants, We are going to start from sales order. Press enter. Now here we know the customer. If you want, you can select from drop down, press F4. Click on here. Customer general sales group. Here we have sales organization. Press enter. See, this is the customer. Now copy this material number. I want to sell one quantity. Sorry, here we need to select here. Ship to party is not assigned to sold to party. Sold to party, ship to party. The reason we are getting this, go to XT02. Here BP, PY, SH. SP. Now refresh this VA01 sales order. Press enter. No pricing procedure could be determined. Pricing procedure configuration. Document procedure, customer pricing procedure. We have an issue with the sales organization, distribution channel, division, document procedure. It is not getting determined. System is saying the appropriate pricing procedure could not be determined because there is no entry with the combination. See, this is sales organization, distribution channel, division. This is my document type. So we need to make changes. Go to customization. The reason why we are not getting, see here we selected one. We supposed to select A there. See here we supposed to select A here, document pricing procedure. A indicates a standard. We selected here 1. We made the mistake there. So what we will do, we will copy this. Here I will change this to A. Press enter. It will determine now.